Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Upasana Taneja, and in today's video we have a question. 4 raised to power a is 100 and we need to find the value of a. Okay, what do we do in these types of questions? Whenever we have power as a variable like x or a or something, we always take log. So what will we do? Taking log on both sides. Okay, it will become log 4 raised to power a is equal to log 400, right? Okay, so this is a will come here log 4. Why? Because log m raised to power a or a raised to power m is actually a log m. Okay, so here we have log 400 can be written as 4 times 100. Right? So a log 4 is equal to log AB. Log a times b, like 4 times 100, is equal to log a plus log b. Okay. So what will we get here? Here it will become log 4 plus log 100. Okay, so a is here as it is and we will divide, okay, or else we can do divide both sides with log 4. Okay, we get a here and here we get log 4 by log 4 plus log 100 by log 4. Okay, so we get here a is equal to 1 plus, what is log 100? Log 100 is 2. Okay, why? Because log 100 is log 10 square. That is equal to 2 log 10. And log 10 is 1. So it is 2. So it is 2 by log 4. So this is the value of a. If you want, we can verify as well. Now we need to verify. We will verify, okay? How will we verify? We are given 4 raised to power a as left hand side. Right hand side is what? 400. We will put the value of a here in this left hand side and we will see whether we are getting 400 or not. How? So 4 raised to power 1 plus 2 by log 4. Okay. So 4 raised to power 1 times 4 raised to power 2 by log 4. Is that okay if I write as this? Why? Because a raised to power m plus n is equal to a raised to power m, a raised to power n. So I just separated this, okay? So 4 times 4 raised to power log 100 by log 4. Again, I wrote 2 as log 100. Why? I will tell you now. 4 times 4 raised to power log 100 by log 4 can be written as log to the base 400. This is also a log's rule. So we will write log 400. Okay. Now another rule. I know we are doing so many rules, but we need to know about the log for solving these types of questions. A raised to power log to the base b is actually equal to b. This thing we need to know this. Okay. So we get 4 times 4 and this will actually become a raised to power, this will actually become 100. So it is 400. According to this rule, this will become 100. So this is 400. This was our right hand side, right? So we got it. So I hope you understood this. If you like this video, please visit my channel for more such videos. You will find many Maths Olympiad questions, logical reasoning questions and short tricks. Please do visit my channel and give your reviews. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.